Needing some puff?
Are you video cameras?
I want to get him there. I want to get him rolling his eyes, doing his thing. No, you can't have the camera. There's a puff. Jamie. Do it. Yeah, you did it, you weirdo. What are you doing rolling your eyes back? Don't choke. What are you doing rolling your eyes back? What is that? No. You got one in your mouth.